the last point we discussed about shift of the demand curve, that what are those factors basically that can increase or decrease the demand curve. Okay, so whatever the points we discussed in the factor that affects the demand, you will exclude the price and you will add up all those factors other than price that could be the reason to increase or decrease our demand curve. Among all those factors, if we take for example gross, if the income of the any individual will increase, the graph curve will be increased. Now you look at the level of price 7, for example, they were demanding, let's say, 15 quantity units. Okay, the demand were 15 units. Now if you see, if just assuming that the income of the individual has been increased, okay, what will happen at same price level, might be possible he will demand for 25 units. That shows that the graph is increasing. Okay, now you can see the arrow line, the next curve basically, which is D1. Now you can see this is known as increase in the demand curve. But if the price remains same but the gross income has been decreased because of increasing the tax on that particular man's income, now you can see at same price level might be possible he will demand less. So this is the representation of decrease in the demand curve. That was the basically our previous lecture we discussed in our last class. If you have